What's up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be telling you how to replace the light bulb in a 2007 Dodge 1500 SLT Laramie, the nicer one with the sunroof. So, I'm able to replace these lights right here. That's the LED now. You need to not worry about trying to take these out of here. What you have to worry about is there's a screw over here, right there. You unscrew that screw, and then there's two clips. There's two clips that go like right up in here, behind here. And once you pop this screw down, it's gonna come down a little bit, and you take a little flathead or something, and then you take off one clip from here, and then the other clip from over here. It's really easy, and I haven't seen this video nowhere on YouTube. And I just wanted to put this out there to help everybody else that has the same type of truck as me and that needs help trying to figure this out. Y'all have a good day.